Which rotary hammer drill is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, DEWALT 20V Max Rotary Hammer. The DEWALT 20V Max SDS Plus Rotary Hammer drill really stands out to me. The first thing that caught my eye was its brushless motor and lightweight design, perfect for those tough jobs without the bulk. It's priced around $216, which is decent for what you get. If you want fast drilling in concrete with ease, this is worth a serious look. With 1.4 joules of impact energy, you can drill through concrete like butter. Plus, it runs at 1100 RPM, making it super efficient, especially for tasks like concrete forming or mounting. The SHOCKS active vibration control system is a lifesaver, reducing the vibrations that tire you out, which is crucial if you're working for hours. It's OSHA compliant when paired with the right accessories, giving you peace of mind if you're concerned about dust. But let's keep it real. Some users have mentioned that it can lack power for heavier applications. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for lighter to moderate tasks, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's designed for efficiency, not necessarily heavy demolition work. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool for home improvement projects or light construction work. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty demolition, but for its price, it offers great value. Product number 2, DESHU01 SDS Plus Rotary Hammer. Next up is the DESHU01 SDS Plus Lightweight Rotary Hammer Drill. Priced at just $63, it's definitely on the budget-friendly side. What caught my attention is its lightweight design, weighing in at only 7.19 pounds, making it ideal for overhead tasks. If you want a solid tool without breaking the bank, this could be your go-to. This drill features a 9-amp motor that delivers up to 5,300 BPM and 2.21 FT, pounds of impact energy, making it effective for fast drilling through concrete and masonry. The 4 modes of operation, rotation only, rotary hammer, hammer only, and variolock, give you flexibility for different projects. Plus, it has a built-in safety clutch to prevent torque-related injuries. This matters because safety is key when you're working on demanding tasks. However, some reviewers pointed out that the included bits aren't the highest quality. But here's my take. For the price, you're still getting a good deal. You can always buy better bits if you need to. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone looking for a budget-friendly solution for home repairs. Skip this if you're a professional needing top-tier performance every time, but it's a great value for casual use. Product number 3, DEWALT 20V Max D-Handle Rotary Hammer. The DEWALT 20V Max SDS Plus 1-inch cordless rotary hammer with D-handle is next on our list. At about $316, it's on the pricier side, but the features are impressive. The 2.6 joules of impact energy really caught my eye. It means you can drill through concrete fast. If you need power and portability, this is worth considering. This drill hits a max rotational speed of 5,550 RPM, making it one of the faster options. The brushless motor and German-engineered mechanism ensure you get better runtime and efficiency. It's lightweight, which is great for overhead tasks and carrying around on the job site. The rotating dial for application modes makes it easy to switch between drilling, hammer drilling, and chipping, which is super convenient. On the downside, a few users mentioned the battery life isn't the longest, especially under heavy use. But honestly, if you're working on big projects, it's common to have extra batteries on hand anyway, so that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for professionals who need a reliable, powerful tool for various applications. Skip this if you're only doing occasional light tasks, but it definitely delivers on performance. Product number 4, BOSCH 11255 VSR Bulldog Extreme. The BOSCH 11255 VSR Bulldog Extreme is another solid contender. Priced at about $221, it's a bit of a sweet spot for those who want quality without going top of the line. I really liked its 3 modes of operation, which can cater to different drilling needs. If you want versatility, this one might catch your interest. It delivers 2 FT, pounds of impact energy, making it suitable for tougher jobs. The SDS Plus bit system allows for tool-free changes, which saves time. Plus, the ergonomic D-handle design adds comfort, especially during extended use, which is a huge plus for those long days on the job. However, some people found it a bit heavy for overhead drilling. But here's the thing, if you're using it for a variety of projects, you might appreciate the power it brings more than you'd mind the weight. This is perfect for contractors or serious DIYers looking for a reliable tool for multiple applications. Skip this if you're primarily doing light work, but for the price, it's hard to beat the value. Product number 5, Protmex 114-inch Rotary Hammer. Last but not least, we have the Protmex 114-inch SDS Plus Heavy-Duty Rotary Hammer Drill. It's priced around $101, making it an attractive option for those needing something powerful yet affordable. The 13-amp motor and 7.4 joules of impact energy really stand out. If you're tackling heavy-duty projects, this one's worth a look. It features a maximum speed of 1,100 RPM and 4,500 BPM, perfect for breaking through tough materials like concrete. The 3 function modes, drill only, hammer only, and hammer drill, give you flexibility for various tasks. The safety clutch is a nice touch, protecting your wrist from high torque, which is super important when you're pushing it to the limit. This is key because safety should always be your priority. However, some users reported that it can get quite hot during prolonged use. I'll be real with you, that's something to keep in mind if you plan to use it for extended periods. But if you're prepared for that, it's a fantastic tool. This is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who need a strong workhorse for heavy projects. Skip this if you're just doing light jobs at home, but for its price, it packs a punch. To wrap it up, we've looked at the DEWALT 20V Max, DSHU01 Rotary Hammer, DEWALT 20V Max D-Handle, BOSCH Bulldog Extreme, and Protmex Rotary Hammer. Each has its strengths, whether it's price, power, or versatility. Depending on your needs, one of these will definitely fit the bill.